So now let's that little flashing red light on top of the intake, or the top of the charge tubes, is actually a reflection from across the shop. So I seen that in the on top of it, and I think, what the heck is that? Because I know it wasn't anything in the dyno. But anyways, let's take a look at this. Now this is now we have the single injector in here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in there and I'm actually going to show you more about this engine and explain why we're at the horsepower level that we're at and what we're doing. So this has a single 800 pound/hour injector in it, and we're out of injector. So if you guys ever want to know about how much this is, where this is at, and we're not leaning on it as hard as you possibly can. It's still in a good, safe tune, but it's not fat, sloppy, and super safe. Okay, but we're leaning on it, but not as hard as we could. And so you can see here, it's 7,800, made 3301, 2270 foot-pounds of torque. So we're just putting boost in. You can see the boost curve right through here, and just trying to maintain something nice through there, and not trying to make 30 pounds of boost at 5,000 RPM, which is useless. But you can see right there, looks pretty good, 38 pounds. And like I said, mine, the fuel tech says it's just a little bit lower than that. And here, this is at 95% or 95% duty cycle. There's probably a little bit left in, I guess. It's a little over 6,000 pounds per hour of fuel to make that horsepower. So fat, sloppy, rich, would definitely be more pounds per hour, but we're not fat and sloppy. So anyways, let's go in there, and let me take that off. I'll show you a little bit more about this motor and explain something to you. Now, in the engine here, the other reason is this is 540 cubic inch. As a matter of fact, this is a Dart iron block. And see if we can get down there and look at it. Yeah, you can see it's iron down there. And still has one of our modified 14.5 degree castings. Some stuff that we work on and do our modifications to. But it is a casting, and usually around this neighborhood and above, especially in that 35ish, in between 3,000 and 3,500. Castings break. They just do. So somewhere down the road, this could end up, if we kept on pushing it harder, it could develop a problem. But I mean, that's way down the road. But all castings break. Period. I mean, that's just what they are. But this needed to be water jacketed. So this is, here's a outlet water, and goes up through the system, and still has inlet water. It's pretty tight packaging all up through here, but the blue line is water right there. And so because this is a standing mile car, and so it's not a unlimited drag car, so we do need to make it live longer, be happier, be safer on valve train. It's quite similar to a drag week deal, and this would be darn close to one of our drag week deals actually. So super mild is not set on absolute kill. So we don't have a ton of compression ratio in it. We don't have, a ton of camshaft in it, but it's still, obviously, it's a real good combination. So, anyways, this is, like I said, this is going in Mike Kiesling's car, and I think he's really going to like this thing. So we're going to package this up and send it on its way. I'm Steve Morris. Have a great day.